Welcome back to my coverage of the Waves Aquatic Centre redevelopment. Here's what's changed in the 5 weeks since my last update. Number 1, work on the splash pool structure in the water play area has begun. The first of the concrete pours has been completed. Number 2, roofing over the lagoon and warm water area is almost finished. Number 3, about 400 solar panels have been installed. Number 4, tiling for the 25 metre and 50 metre pools is nearing completion. Tiling of the main amenities area has begun. Number 5, flooring and painting in the gym area and multi-purpose areas has commenced. Number 6, fit out of the sauna has begun. Number 7, internal and external walls of the cafe and lobby area are being completed. Expressions of interest have been called to run the cafe. Number 8, clubhouse walls are being installed. And number 9, landscaping has started in the cabana area. You'll have noticed a lot is now happening inside the buildings and rooms, and unfortunately I won't be able to follow that from the air. Instead, I've included a link to the Shire's December 2021 update video. Click on the link in the top right of this video to view it, or use the link I've included in the description below this video.
The internal and external walls of the lobby and cafe are also being completed, and we have called for expressions of interest to run the cafe, which locals will be able to access from outside the complex as well.
As usual in this video, I'll run the drone around the perimeter of the site to show you the current status, and then compare the video from this episode with the last so you can see the differences. Remember to have a look at the video description for more information, particularly if you want to view the very high resolution drone maps I prepare for each episode. You can download the maps and then zoom in on those areas that are of particular interest to you. I've also included links to the architect plans for the new Aquatic Centre. These have been on the Hills Shire website for some time now, so they may not be up to date. However, the construction work completed so far fits quite well with these plans. If you find this video interesting, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Now over to the drone circuit of the construction site and then the side-by-side comparison. No more commentary from here, just the sounds of nature I recorded in the rose garden.